Hello, my name is Love Joshi, and I am not a professional reviewer. So, I just thought I would share a few of my views on the My Revolve Active Watch that everybody has been talking about. Some good things, some bad things from an end user perspective. You would have seen a lot of reviews that are done by all these influencers or the tech reviewers, and I also followed them, and I chose to buy this watch. I have been using smartwatches and fitness bands since almost 5 years now. My first band was the first My Band that was launched, which had no display, which would incorrectly count your steps. I still remember I did a long drive. It was a 6 hour long drive in the car, and I was sitting in the car the whole time driving the car. And when we got off, my My Band app showed me that I had walked around 4,000 steps. So it was that bad. And from that, I moved on to the first basic Fitbit, then the Fitbit Charge. I briefly used the Jawbone, and then I switched to Garmin's. I used the basic Garmin Vivo Active, and then the Vivo Smart, and the Vivo Smart, the latest version. And then my last watch was a Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2, which I had brought from the US. Amazing watch. I really enjoyed the 1.5 years that it was with me. It is still with me. The only problem with that watch now is that it is showing me phantom touches. So it was a fully integrated smartwatch. So what would happen if is somebody sending me a message, and the message would pop on the screen, and the screen would just start vibrating and do phantom touches, and it will call the people on their own. I won't know what's happening. Basically, I got a few connects from my contacts that they're getting missed calls or garbled messages from my side, and that's when I realized that my watch was doing that, and I realized I wanted to change it. And that was the time when this My Active Revolve was being launched. So I ordered this watch on the first day of its launch, and this is probably from the first lot. You can see it. I've been using it very religiously since 1 month. Sorry. First, I will say the really good things that I appreciate of this watch. The delivery was super fast. The placing of the order and getting the delivery was like amazing. I placed the order, and on the second day, the third day, the watch was already in my hand. The HR sensor and the SpO2 sensor is something that is really good. I checked the SpO2 with those standalone SpO2 meters. You would have seen enough influencers and tech reviewers do that, so I don't want to get into it, but this was a plus. The SpO2 sensor was a plus for me. It was not part of my Samsung watch. The Galaxy Watch Active 2 did not have an SpO2 sensor. It did have the heart rate sensor, and the heart rate sensor did really well. It also has active GPS, which I really appreciate. And the GPS, when I tried checking while doing my workouts, walking or cycling or any of those things, it was picking up the location quite quickly. It was not as bad as I thought it should be or it would be. It also has Alexa support, so you can ask your Alexa to do something for you from the watch. This also most of the tech reviewers have already done, and you would have seen. Now, some of the things that are really frustrating, and this is just the first month of this watch that I have used. First is the freeze or the blackout of that watch that happens. While using the watch, it will just suddenly stop responding. The screen goes blank. So the lift to wake feature is there. You can see that if I lift, it will wake up. Sometimes it doesn't wake up. If you press the button, nothing happens. In fact, today itself it happened. I was doing a very heavy workout. It was tracking my workout, and halfway through the workout, I realized that my watch had gone blank. So you have to keep holding the crown for 15 seconds to restart the watch. The company says 15 seconds, but it's definitely 20 to 30 seconds that it takes to restart. And that I have faced as bad as 4 times in a day. So that is something the company needs to do. Second thing is, it does not have a speaker, which is a big bummer. When you have all these features, having a speaker would have made things much easier. Simple things like find my phone, find my device. So it has a find my phone. I press the button, my phone will ring. But what was happening on my Galaxy Watch or any other device, in fact, even the My Band 5 that I used very briefly when I gifted it to my wife, she's actively using it. That also has the Find My Device, that you press the button and the device starts vibrating, so you know where it is. This guy doesn't do that. I have paid 3 times more money than the My Band 5, and it doesn't work. The second thing is there is no integration with third-party apps. So Google Fit, Map My Fitness or MyFitnessPal or any talk about any app. There is no integration. The only integration I could find was with Strava. Now I am not an outdoorsy person. I don't do active cycling or active swimming or active running every day. So getting to see my integration, what my Samsung Watch was doing was it'll track all the updates. It'll feed into my Healthify Me app or my MyFitnessPal app, and then at the end of the day, I would get a holistic picture of how things are, what I ate when I input my, when I put in my intake calories, and it'll see the calories burnt. You will get a holistic approach of how things are. With this guy, nothing. it just does not work. I tried the long way around of using the sensors option from the Google Fit app, but it's still always Google Fit for me. Strangely, every time I have used it has always shown me wrong step data. So I don't know how that works, but it always shows wrong step data, and that is one of the really bad things. Another strange thing, that is that there is zero support from the company or the developers or whoever you want to say. I installed the company app. Oh, I forgot let me switch back. The app of the watch is not MyFit app. You have to download something else, a third party app. I mean, a My app again, but it is only for this active watch, which is stupid because the MyFit app has options of linking your Amazfit Bip watch with that, but you can't link their own proprietary watch, which is this Revolve active watch, on their app. The MyFit app has developed drastically in the past few weeks, months, years, whatever. I haven't actively used MyFit in the last 3-4 years. I used it, like I said, briefly when the Band 5 was launched. Then I used it. I was okay with it. I have had my ups and downs with my MyFit, so I was actively on Samsung Health. So that was my go-to app for a very long time. The other thing is that the app shows a lot of features and options. It has ECG and it has PAI and this and that. Now my wife's phone, my app also has PAI and all of those things. It shows an active PAI and VO2 max and all of those things. This app has VO2 max. It's always blank. I've been using it since 1 month. The same thing with PAI, which is personal activity index or something like that. They say doesn't work. The option is always blank. So now, like I said, I was talking about the support from the developers or the company. I emailed the company about the freeze, that the device keeps freezing. I have not received any response. It is almost 2 to 3 weeks now, that because the issue started after the first week. The second week onwards, the watch started freezing, and I have shared this review with them. The app also has a feature or drop down of share feedback. So I shared my feedback there about a lot of things, that the watch keeps hanging, the device has issues, the app has issues, blah blah blah. Thousand things. Well, I'm exaggerating, but at least 100 things that I would have sent them in the last 1 month. No response, no acknowledgement, nothing. So I don't know what the company is doing. Are they actively looking into what's going on when the consumer is giving them feedback, or are they only interested in pumping it out through the influencers and tech reviewers who will give you good things? A tech influencer usually uses a watch for 1 week and then they would be like, my long-term review. That's bullshit. It's not long-term review. You have to use a watch for really a month or so before you go long-term. This is not speed dating. This is not Tinder where 1 month, 1 week is long-term. People need to understand. And all these bloody tech reviewers who are out there, I actively follow a few of you out of respect because you have done some really good work. But then don't bullshit with other consumers. I don't know, you guys are getting money for doing these reviews or you are getting freebies. I have no clue how things work. I am not a professional in that field. I am a mental health professional, so I work with mental health. But people like me get bloody frustrated when we listen to you guys and we invest. It's not a big amount for me. It's 9,000 rupees that I paid. So no big deal. For somebody who was using a Galaxy Watch 2, which was 3 times the price of this watch, I don't mind. But then give me a good product, right? The product has to be sustainable. They claim it is water resistant. I have sweated with it a few times, and every time I sweat, I realize the watch hangs. So then, what about the water resistability? I haven't even tried it in the pool. I went to the pool, in fact, and then I was so scared that yeah, it's brand new and I don't know if they'll replace it for me. And I put it aside. I never used it in the pool. Otherwise, I would have checked my laps and all. The features, their activity list, or what do they call it? The sport list is, they claim more than 100 activities. What do these 100 activities count? Your HRV and time, nothing else. Not even HRV, only your heart rate. And based on the heart rate, they would just come up with some algorithm on the calories burnt. So today I was doing my, at the gym, it was a heavy leg day. I was doing leg presses and squats and deadlifts and curls and all of those things. After 20 minutes or 30 minutes of that, the watch showed that I have already burned 600 calories. I don't know if that's possible, because usually you have to go through a very heavy HIIT session. I mean, at least my earlier watch used to do that. It showed realistic numbers. This somehow I felt is probably overinflating, the data. So I am not sure, because I have not checked it with scientific, gadgetry to where, I mean, my sleep data or something. Sleep is more or less good. I will not complain on that, but a lot of other things are off, and I really would want the company to pay slight more attention to the consumers who are giving you feedback and who are giving you reviews. And do one simple common sense thing. You already had a very good app, which was a MyFit app. Bloody integrate this watch with that app and make life easier for everybody around who are using it. I know personally at least 10 friends who are on the My Band things, My Bands, 5, and somebody has already gotten a 6 from somewhere, or gotten it from a reviewer, I don't know. They want to buy this watch, but they are not buying it only because they don't want to switch apps. And I told them that the new app is bullshit. It's absolute crap. So it doesn't work. I have smart scales at home. This app does not even link with the smart scale. So I can't do anything. It's my entire fitness routine is now broken down, and I only now see things separately on all my different apps, and then sit and calculate on my piece of paper of how things are. Okay, what my weight is this much, my BMI is this much, I did this much app, this much workout, I did so many calories, I input, output. Nobody wants to do that. You have a good app, just sync this thing with that app, make life easier. Sounds like a very frustrated review from somebody who's not a professional reviewer. I don't know, I'm sorry guys if this is, I am not going to ask you to subscribe or like or anything, but share this with people who are interested in buying this watch, so they know that what sort of money they are wasting, spending, wasting, investing, use your word that you like, on this product. 8,000 for a lot of people is a big amount. So think 100 times before you really go for it. I would suggest wait for the My Band 6. That might be better than this. Thank you so much for listening to this rant, guys, and I wish you all the best. Have fun.